Hi, kindergarten. We're going to continue working on our math lessons. Please take out your orange math packet and turn to the second page in the packet. It should say 291 at the bottom, 291. You should see pictures of some different critters that live in the sea. If you're having a hard time finding this page, please pause the video and go get an adult to help you. For today's lesson, we're going to continue talking about subtraction. We're going to be using objects to show things that are being taken away. In subtraction, we have one group and then some are taken away. This is different than in addition. In addition, we have one group and then a second group that we join together. Subtraction is not this way. We only have one group and we take away from this group. We show that by crossing off the objects, either taking them away from the picture altogether or marking X's on them to show that they're no longer there. Let's begin. Put your finger on number 1. We need to first figure out how many started in the group. Let's count all of the crabs we see in the picture on number 1, the ones without X's and the ones with X's. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There were 6 crabs to start with. Could you please write a 6 on the handwriting line, the first handwriting line? This subtraction sentence is 6 take away 4. They've already crossed off those 4 for us. See? 1, 2, 3, 4. Since they've already crossed those off, we don't need to do it again, but we can see how many are left over. So if we have 6 and we take away 4, how many is that left over? Well, let's count the ones that don't have X's on them. 1, 2. Only 2 are left over. 6 take away 4 is 2. Please write a 2 on the last handwriting line. Let's continue on to number 2. For subtraction, we need to see how many we have in all to start with. Let's count all of the lobsters we see for number 2. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 lobsters altogether. Let's write a 10 on the handwriting line. 10 is made up of the digits 1 and 0. Now let's read our subtraction sentence. 10 take away 7. Now we need to take away 7. Let's cross off 7 lobsters with our pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When we start with 10 and we take away 7, how many is left over? Let's count the ones that don't have marks on them. 1, 2, 3. 10 take away 7 is 3. Please write a 3 on the handwriting line. Put your finger on number 3. Let's solve this subtraction sentence. We're going to count sea turtles now. Let's see how many there are to start with. Ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 sea turtles to begin with. Please write a 9 on the handwriting line. For this subtraction sentence, we're going to take away 5. To take away, let's cross off 5 with our pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we need to see how many are left over after the subtraction is done. 9 take away 5 is how many left over? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 9 take away 5 is 4 left over. Great work so far. Before we turn our page, please dog ear fold down this corner so that it's ready for us tomorrow. Then turn your page and flip your packet so you're looking at more sea creatures and the page 292. I'm going to ask you to do this page on your own now. You're going to solve it the exact same way we were doing the front. To do that, start by counting how many sea creatures there are in the group. Then, cross off how many the number shows that should be taken away. Once you do that, write how many are left over. Then, when you're all finished, I want you to check your work. I'm going to write the answers for you, but I want you to have a chance to solve this on your own. So, in just a moment, I'm going to ask you to pause the video. When you're all done, unpause and I'll reveal the answers to you to make sure that you're doing it correctly. Ready? Pause and solve this page. You should have completed this page on your own. Now use my answers to check your numbers that they're written correctly, the right direction, and that you solved the subtraction correctly. Pause the video if you need more time to check your work. I'm so proud of you. Thanks for working hard with me today.